Hi, today I will show you in simple steps how to define an action definition with custom ABAP logic that is triggered when a freight order is changed. But first, what exactly is action definition? An action definition is a specific task triggered by post-processing framework or PPF. It can be something standard like sending emails, printing labels, or creating follow-up documents. But it can also execute fully customized logic, including your own ABAP implementation. In simple terms, it defines what happens when certain conditions are met. It is created within an action profile which is assigned to the business document like a freight order. Action can be triggered automatically or executed manually, giving you flexible process automation in SAP TM. And finally, the action is linked to conditions that determine whether it should be scheduled or executed.
Now let's define the action definition. We navigate to PPF adapter for output management settings. We select transportation application and go to define action profile. We select the action profile DOR and create a new action definition. We add this name, some description. In rule type, we select condition using business add-ins. In action settings, we select processing using selection report. Now we go to processing types. Let's create a new entry. In the assignment change using value help list, we select method call. Let's create a new implementation. We assign an implementation name and a method name. Save and activate. Now we could go back and select the method here. Display the implementation and go to the interface tab. Open the execute method. Here we add our logic with ABAP code. Now we activate the object and it's done. We can go back and do a quick test. Everything looks fine. Finally, we go to condition configuration over transportation application and select our action profile. Here we need to add our action definition. Here you can also customize the schedule condition and start condition, but I will leave it blank, only for testing purpose. Now, we need to schedule a background job for the action definition. Since this logic must run only after freight order has been successfully saved and the attachment records already exist in the database. If we configure the action to execute immediately when clicking save, we wouldn't be able to retrieve the attachment data from the database because it may not be fully committed yet. So the first step is to save a variant for the PPF processing program. In this variant, we are selecting our action definition to be processed. After that, we schedule a periodic background job that runs using this variant. Now we go to freight order type settings and assign the action profile and output options. Once the configuration is in place, any change to the freight order type assigned to the action profile will automatically create a PPF message. The background job then triggers the action. To validate the results, we check the Output Management tab. review the executed message, and confirming the log that our custom logic was processed successfully. And that's how you connect PPF configuration with custom ABAP logic to automate your freight order process in SAP TM. If you found this session useful, feel free to like the video, share it with your network, and subscribe for more practical SAP TM content. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.